Blessed with a giving spirit and a lending hand, Elvis Bando would often find himself in community WhatsApp groups for different welfare contributions. Like many initiatives involving contributions, it usually did not end well when it came to accounting for the cash collected.
I've been in a chama where it broke down because of just that communication in terms of funds. There are people who are sending messages that were not. I think over time the treasurer was not even sending reports. So by the time now they send you the statement, there are things that are missing. You're like, what is happening?
With a background in software development, Elvis saw an opportunity and decided to fill the gap in financial reconciliation through tech. In 2022, and as part of the Accelerator program, which is a global startup platform that supports early stage entrepreneurs in building and scaling their businesses, he co founded Nobuk. The word Nobuk expresses the company's mission to eradicate physical books for accounting.
Nobuk is an app. It's both on web and also as an Android and iOS app. So you can access it from either App Store, Play Store, or on the web. If you go to our website, nobuk.africa, you should be able to get access to any of those links that you prefer. Yeah, so essentially that's how it works. But the idea is that we are trying to eliminate the book, so it's a digital platform.
Initially, Nobuk sought to digitize bookkeeping for small businesses, but inability to scale led to a different trajectory.
One small thing that we found they really needed was how do they access payments really more easily? How do they receive payments? How do they get paid from their customers? So that is now what is the current product, which is the Nobuk Collect. But when we were also just looking at that space, we figured out that the people who really needed the solution we were working for are, on top of the business, are just communities as well. So chamas, churches, people doing planning projects and needing to collect a lot of funds from a lot of people really needed that solution. So, and that's how we almost recasted the net to catch up a wider community rather than just businesses.
Nobuk Collect is offered in different monthly packages in basic, standard, premium, and enterprise for organizations. The pivoting has transformed Nobuk's fortunes and impacted people in different sectors.
The Collect product is about 1 year, a few months old. The traction has been great. So far, we've supported about some 800 or so communities collect funds. Cumulatively, they've collected over 50 million plus using our platform. We've supported almost 20,000 members who are just giving funds through our platform.
The market already had fintech products that provided digital fundraising at scale, and so Nobuk had to find a way to distinguish itself from competitors.
The bigger difference between us and other tools that also offer this kind of automation is first, we don't actually keep any money. We only work with communities that either have a bank account or a pay bill or a till. So the money goes directly there. We don't have a wallet on Nobuk that people put money in. The only thing that is on our platform is the records of those payments. So this one differentiating factor. We see ourselves as more of a reconciliation, a records company rather than a payments company. So the records, your records will be all in one place and so on. So if there are chambers who are trying out WhatsApp, we actually supplement that. So it's only the treasurer who needs to download the app. The members don't even need to have the app. They'll be able to access their reports. They'll be able to access their statements quite easily on a link. And when they make payment, they're sure that that payment has actually gone through. So when you actually pay, it actually updates the group. Yes, so when you have a till and you pay through Nobuk links to your till, but the record goes directly to your WhatsApp group. So it actually sends notification to your WhatsApp group directly that this person has actually paid.
A year after Nobuk was set up, The founders successfully applied to join the Spark Accelerator program established by Safaricom to grow and scale commercially viable businesses. The program seeks to light a spark that catalyzes the growth of startups.
The whole program has been really good because other than just the funding, you also need access to how to build the business, because the program generally helps you to build your business. So in terms of HR, how do you hire people? How do you do investment? How do you think of due diligence? How do you think of so many other aspects of business? So that training has been really invaluable to us. But other thing is just they also bring in other advisors into the program that can help you walk through the journey of different aspects of your business. Additionally, just access to some partners whom we wouldn't have accessed without the program. So we are just rolling out a partnership, a pilot program with agency that supports almost 50,000 communities. So we wouldn't have gotten these partners if we were not part of the program. We want to really penetrate this market first before we can scale. We have some limited pilot in Nigeria, but very limited. Right now, our focus is really on embedding ourselves into this ecosystem, to this country first, and then now we can scale into other countries. I think the entrepreneurship journey also requires that you almost really understand what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, so that you know when to ask for help, where to ask help from,